In previous lecture, we know some little information about fats. Fat is stored in our skin, under the skin, heart and kidneys. It also gives us energy, and even more than energy than carbohydrates. Fats keep us warm, keep our body warm. Fats are obtained from both plants and animals. Butter and ghee are animal fats. Groundnut oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, mustard oil and other vegetable oils are the rich source of carbohydrates. Meat, fish, egg and cheese are also good source of fats. An adult requires about 70 to 80 gram of fat daily. So, we know fat, the source of fat are animal and plant both. Fish, egg, meat, cheese, butter, ghee, these all are related to animal source. And mustard oil, vegetable, any type of vegetable oil are the source of fat which come from plant. Next nutrient is protein. Protein. So see, proteins. What is proteins? Our body is made up of billions of cells. I will give you one example. Now you understand the concept of cell. Any building or a house made up of so many bricks. So we can say that bricks is a building block of the house or the building. Similarly, the cell is the building block of our body. These cells are made up of mainly our protein. When we grow, our body needs protein to make new cells. And our body also needs protein to replace old and change cells. Our diet should have enough protein for this. So this is more than important for our body. Means we grow from little to big, from smaller to taller, from that much to that much. We need protein because protein made cell. Or we can say also cells are made up of protein. With the help of protein, cell replace older version and make newer version. So, you should keep in your mind whatever your diet is, protein are there or not. Growing children and sick people require more protein in their diet. Pulses and soya bean are plant proteins. They are rich source of proteins. Meat, fish, egg and milk are animal protein. The total requirement of protein of an adult who attain 18 or 18 plus is about 50 to 60 gram per day. So, meat, fish, egg and milk are the rich source of protein. Pulses and soya bean. I repeat, pulses, soya bean, fish, egg, meat and milk is the rich source of protein. It also improves the weight of our body. Next nutrients is vitamin. Vitamins. Vitamins are a group of nutrients that our body require in a small quantities. We need vitamins, but in a small quantities. They are essential for our proper working of the body, and our diet is lacking any type of vitamins, we suffer from certain disease called efficiency of disease. There are about 20 known vitamins. The important vitamins, their sources, importance and deficiency, disease caused when we do not get enough vitamins. We have all acknowledgement in table 2.1. You should draw this table in your copy and mug up all this stuff. Vitamins, sources, importance and deficiency disease. Vitamin A. The source of vitamin A is milk, butter, egg, carrot and many more. The importance of vitamin A is for normal growth, keep the eye and skin healthy, and it also prevent from night blindness. Vitamin B, soya food, milk, meat, pea, green vegetables, eggs, meat, potatoes, tomatoes. It is important for the growth and development, healthy skin, proper functioning of digestive system. It protects us from beriberi. Vitamin C, amla, tomatoes. It is important for healthy growth and strong blood vessels. Scurvy, in which gums swell up and bleed. Scurvy is a disease. And also vitamin D and vitamin K are present in your table. You need to write and remember all the information related to vitamins. Thank you.